Hello and welcome to the Submittal training video. This video is designed to show you how to create a submittal document and upload your submittals or shop drawings in ProLions and forward them to the appropriate Ryan Project Manager or Ryan Project Assistant for review and approval. Your submittal or shop drawings should be uploaded as PDF files. Be sure to have your submittal ready to upload before you start creating the submittal document. We will have instructions for combining multiple shop drawing sheets into one document at the end of this training video in the key point summary. When creating your PDF file, name your submittal file appropriately, but do not use any punctuation marks in the title. You can click on the link in your email to take you into ProLions, or you can enter the following URL into Internet Explorer: pmpro.ryancompanies.com. At the login screen, use Ryan in the organization field. Your username is your first initial and up to 7 letters of your last name. Your password is Ryan plus Ryan's ID number. If you haven't received a username and password, please contact your project assistant for this project. If you have used ProLions for any application, your username and password remains the same. Enter the project workspace and enter the appropriate project. Use the task pane on the left to navigate to Applications, then Office Management, then Submittals. Click the New button. Click on the Expand All icon on the top toolbar to expand the page so you can see all required fields. Enter the following information on the main page. An asterisk means the field is required to save the document. Use the source file URL field to upload your original for approval submittal. Under the Options heading, click on the button Attach New or Override Existing File. Then under the File attachment in the dialog box, click Browse. Browse to your document and select the appropriate submittal. Click Open, then click Attach. The Presentation File field will be used by the project manager to attach the final document with all comments and the approval status when the review is finished. In the description of submittal field, put in the name of your submittal. Please enter any additional information in the comments field you feel is necessary but is not required. In the specification section field, use the lookup magnifying glass to select the appropriate spec section number, then click on the Add, then OK. You can also start to type in the appropriate number and it will auto-populate the number and description. Under the Parties section, choose the appropriate Ryan Project Assistant in the PA/PM field from the pick list by clicking on the magnifying glass, which will bring up the pick list of names for you to choose from. Click on Add next to the appropriate name, then click OK. In the Submitted By field, choose your contact name and your company name will auto-populate. Save your document. If you receive an error, it could be that you missed a required field. Double check all fields with an asterisk. Once successfully saved, click on the Forward button on the top toolbar. Forward the document will bring up the web page dialog box. In the To field, use the pick list to select both the appropriate project manager and project assistant's name. In the Custom Message field, you can add any specific information you feel is needed or leave this blank. The due date is the date you want the submittal review to be finished. Give adequate time for review of the submittal. Click OK, then click OK again. When the review process is complete, you will receive an email notice that the approved submittal or shop drawing has been returned to you via ProLiance. The project assistant will attach the final document with all markups and comments published on the document. Click on the appropriate submittal or shop drawing list in the register. The approved copy of your submittal will be attached under the presentation file URL on the main page with the file tag noting the approved state. You can download the submittal with the reviewer's comments and Ryan's final stamp by clicking on the Download File to your computer under the Options button. If you have questions regarding this process, please contact your project manager or project assistant to assist you with this process.